In this video, we're going to walk you through the best free anime websites out there. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more content just like this. To access these websites, you're just going to need a web browser. And this is going to work on either, phones, tablets, laptops, PCs. It doesn't matter. It's going to work on all of them. First up, we have Retro Crush TV. This is perfect if you love classic anime from the 70s through the early 2000s. It's a total nostalgia trip. Once you get on the website, you just need to hit shows up at the very top and start browsing through their collection. There's a lot on here, so there's definitely going to be stuff for everybody. Next up, we have TubiTV.com. It's easy to access, there's no setup required, and it offers a great selection of anime. To filter to anime, hover over the browse section up at the very top, then go to genres, and then here you'll find an anime section. Click on it, and you'll find a very nice lineup of series that are ready to stream for completely free. This includes stuff like JoJo, Naruto, and so much more. At our number 3 spot, we do have Crunchyroll. While they do offer a paid plan, you can watch a huge amount of anime for free with ads, including new releases, classic series, and simulcast. The content library is one of the biggest out there. This is definitely one to check out. And finally, we have Pluto.tv. It lets you watch both anime, both on live and on demand. And although it does offer all kinds of content, all you have to do is find this little search bar up at the very top, and then just type in anime just like so, and you'll find plenty of stuff. But that wraps up our list of the top free anime streaming sites. Let us know your favorite down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more helpful guides. Have a great day.